student, as you know that earlier we had already discussed about the transpiration. What are transpiration? Transpiration, it means a removal of extra water by the plant is known as transpiration. Now come across the word, we will discuss about the photosynthesis. What does it mean? Photosynthesis. Okay. Actually, it is the process by which the leaves prepare the food for the plant. Okay. In the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and green pigment. You know green pigment, that is known as your chlorophyll. Okay. Entire the whole process you must know about. There is a releases of oxygen and including of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It means you can say that photosynthesis is a process in which the leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, water and minerals, carbon dioxide and the green pigment. Okay, such process is known as photosynthesis. Get it my point, student? Photosynthesis in which plants prepare their food. Okay, next we will learn something more. So student, let's have a look about the root. As you know that root is a very important part of the plant as a stem. Now, what is the function of root? As you know that root firmly fixed into the soil. The main function of root is to firmly fixed into the soil. Okay. And the next function of root to absorb water and minerals from the soil and send it to the various part of the plant by the help of stem. Okay, because stem having the function of water conduction, stem having the narrow tube inside the stem. Okay, so how many functions are there you learn? The main function of root is to firmly fix the plant into the soil, and the next one is your root absorbs water and minerals and send it to the different parts of the plant by the help of stem. Okay, now I am going to ask some question from you. Tell me which part of the plant is in the soil. Which part of the plant is in the soil? Root. Absolutely right answer. Okay. Root is the part of the plant which is present inside the soil. In the soil. Okay. Now we will discuss about the root. There are two types of root. Okay. The first one is your tap root. The second one is your fibrous root. Tap root. Let's have a begin with the tap root. Okay. Tap root, it means there is a main root. There is a main root, and from the main root there is a side root is released. Okay. Now this side root is known as lateral root, and the main root, this one is known as tap root. Okay. The main root. But in the case if we will discuss fibrous root it means all the roots are seems same. Okay. There is no main root. All the roots are forming the network like structures, or you can say the fibrous like structures. Okay. It is clear here. Tap root and fibrous root. Okay. Now we will discuss something more. You have to know that we eat some of the roots also. We eat. Tell me what are the name of food item, or you can say what are the name of vegetable or fruit in which we are eating the root. Let me clear you one thing. Carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip, these all are the many more vegetables and fruits that we eat their roots. Okay. Is it clear here? And you must remember that things that tap root leaf and the leaf of fibrous roots are different between each other. Okay. Firstly, you have to pluck a leaf from the plant, and you have to remember that where is the differences between the leaves of taproot as well as of fibrous root. Okay. Now we will discuss about something more.